Earlier this month, we saw a dummy unit of the Galaxy Z Fold 6, which confirmed many design details revealed by the leaked renders. Now we have clearer and more detailed images of a Galaxy Z Fold 6 dummy unit, providing a better understanding of the phone's design. The latest set of images comes from Ice Universe. They show the Galaxy Z Fold 6 in silver and include a comparison with the Galaxy Z Fold 5. As seen in the photos, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is wider than the Galaxy Z Fold 5. This means the upcoming phone will have wider outer and inner displays compared to the current model, making it easier to use and offering a better user experience. Another noticeable feature in these images is that the Galaxy Z Fold 6 has a boxier design with flatter sides and sharper edges compared to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. This gives the upcoming device a cleaner, more symmetrical, elegant, and modern appearance. Lastly, the dummy unit of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 confirms that it has 3 rear cameras, a volume button, and a fingerprint scanner on the right-hand side. Based on the images, this appears to be a genuine Galaxy Z Fold 6 dummy unit, but we can't be certain until the official launch on July 10, 2024. The latest leak, detailing the expected colors of the 2 ultra-high-end devices anticipated for an unpacked announcement next month, comes from one of the most trustworthy mobile tech leakers in the industry. This information largely corroborates what other reputable tipsters have previously shared with the public. Let's talk about colors of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Z Flip 6. What hues should you expect for the Galaxy Z Flip 6? Blue, mint, silver shadow, yellow, online exclusive white, online exclusive crafted black, peach. And now, check out all the rumored Galaxy Z Fold 6 color options. Navy, pink, silver shadow, online exclusive white, online exclusive crafted black. Let's talk about pricing. According to a report from Smart Pricks, the pricing of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 will start at $1,899.99 in the US for the 256 gigs variant, which is $100 higher than the 256 gigs version of its predecessor, the Galaxy Z Fold 5. The 512 gigs and 1 TB variants of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 are reportedly priced at $2,019.99 and $2,259.99 respectively. Thus, all storage variants of the upcoming phone appear to be $100 more expensive than the Galaxy Z Fold 5. These are the expected US price points for the Galaxy Z Flip 6. $1,099.99 for the 256 gigs storage variant. $1,219.99 for the 512 gigs storage variant. The official first look at the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Flip 6 has been revealed. With Samsung's official announcement of the Galaxy Z Flip 6 and Galaxy Z Fold 6 about a month away, fans got an early peek at their designs. Samsung inadvertently posted a marketing image on its Kazakhstan website, showcasing the new models which bear a striking resemblance to the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Sharp-eyed enthusiasts notice that the Galaxy Z Fold 6 features sharp edges and less rounded corners, similar to the Galaxy S24 Ultra. The image also highlighted Galaxy Artificial Intelligence, which aligns with previous updates to One UI 6.1 on earlier Galaxy S and Galaxy Z series models. The Galaxy Z Fold 6's design, including a triple-camera setup, matches details revealed by tipster Ice Universe last week. The phone also appears to have a slot-shaped loudspeaker on the top, akin to the Galaxy S24 Ultra and Galaxy A55. The Galaxy Z Flip 6 sports a large cover screen and a dual-camera setup, as anticipated. Reports suggest an upgraded primary rear camera with a 50-megapixel sensor. A user Jim405 on Reddit says in his comment, "This is my opinion only based on my own experience, but the OPO is very finicky software and even hardware-wise. Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are kind of unstable. I have issues with Android Auto, Bluetooth headsets, and my Wi-Fi 6E home network, which could be fixed if OnePlus provided timely software updates and bug fixes. The UI would also lag a lot more than I have been used to. The Pixel Fold and all Samsung Folds I've had, actually any phone in recent years, didn't have any of those issues." And he also says, "And it sucks that OnePlus devices don't command a high trade-in value or resale value either. So more than likely I won't be able to use my OnePlus Open as a trade-in for either the Pixel Fold 2 or Fold 6. Rumors indicate it will retain a 3.4-inch OLED cover screen and a 6.7-inch internal foldable screen, along with a slightly larger battery, likely around 4,000 mAh. Both the Galaxy Z Flip 6 and Galaxy Z Fold 6 are rumored to have foldable screens with a less noticeable crease. They are expected to be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor and to run on Android 14-based One UI 6.11 from launch. Additionally, both devices might offer a commitment to 7 years of Android OS and security updates. Here we have the first look at the new Galaxy Z Fold 6 outer display. A Twitter user named Ale recently posted a render of the Galaxy Z Fold 6, highlighting the differences compared to the Galaxy Fold 5. Ali pointed out that the new outer display has a boxier design and a slimmer hinge, significantly enhancing the overall look of the Fold 6. The most noticeable change is the wider cover display. The render clearly shows a reduced hinge, resulting in a sleeker and wider design. What are your thoughts on the new design? Share your opinions in the comments below. The same source has now posted the first live look of the Galaxy Z Fold 6. In this photo, we can see the front screen of the Fold 6. Keep in mind that it's not an actual device but a dummy unit, according to the user Ali on Twitter. According to Ali, a Fold 6 dummy unit was found on a Korean forum. The accuracy of this information is uncertain. Additionally, Ali posted 2 more photos today showing live images of the Z Fold 6 dummy while the phone is unfolded. Ali mentioned that this appears to be the Galaxy Z Fold 6, with squared edges creating a notable difference, and a slightly shorter but wider inner screen, giving it a distinct look compared to Fold 5. What do you think about this first live look at the Z Fold 6? I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments section. Let's dive into the details of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Z Flip 6, exploring its features, design, and pricing. This comprehensive breakdown will assist you in determining the best model for your needs. For those familiar with my content, feel free to explore other topics. However, if you're new, consider subscribing to stay informed about all the latest developments. Now let's jump into the specifics. Leaks suggest that the Galaxy Z Fold 6 will incorporate design elements from other foldable phones, and a new photo seems to confirm this. A reliable leaker, Ice Universe, shared a photo showing a glimpse of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 outer screen, which is reportedly wider and sharper than the Fold 5's. The photo suggests the cover display has indeed become wider. According to one leak, the screen width will increase from 57mm to over 60mm, aligning it more with the OnePlus Open's design. This change could attract consumers who prefer a more functional external display. Ice Universe mentioned the phone will feature symmetrical bezels, but the photo doesn't clearly show if they are slimmer. Previously leaked images indicate the phone will have sharper corners than the Galaxy Z Fold 5, but the current photo doesn't reveal the edges. Ice Universe has been steadily releasing information about the Fold 6. Recently, the leaker posted an image of the Fold 6 camera module, supporting rumors of improved cameras. The tipster also noted that the crease on the inner screen will be less noticeable than on the Fold 5. The Fold 6 is expected to deliver enhanced performance, rumored to be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor globally. Additionally, it will be slimmer and lighter than its predecessor. Samsung's book-style Galaxy Z Fold phones have been considered top-tier foldable, but increasing competition has changed that perception. Thank you so much for joining me in this video. If you enjoyed what you saw, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. Peace out.